So now that we have our fingers, we're going to isolate the arms. We're going to do this whole arm area. Same thing from our fingers. What we're going to do is boom. Obviously, we only have our one forearm here, but what we're going to do is we're going to try to make it look as smooth and fluid as possible, all right? So one of the techniques and tricks that I like to do is when I'm bringing my fingers up, my finger isolated movements, the hand flow, as soon as it gets here, it's kind of like I'm pushing it back a little bit, all right? So it doesn't stay like this, it doesn't stay in one spot. What I'm actually doing is I'm almost like pushing it back. That's an exaggerated movement, so I'm going to pushing it back, all right? As you can see, it doesn't stay in one place like this. It's actually moving back and coming back forward, okay? But when you practice it, you can practice it big, and then I want you to make it smaller every time. Remember, we're progressing to smaller microwaves, okay? So we're gonna go here, boom, boom. See, as I'm doing it smaller, it looks less and less like I'm actually moving my arm back and forth, but I really am. Very small, very small. Notice how I'm moving it small as opposed to in one spot, which is fine also, but this makes it a little bit more dynamic because it adds a little extra layer of movement to it, okay?